Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get Elementor Pro for your WordPress website. If you're looking to unlock advanced design features and take your site building capabilities to the next level, this upgrade is exactly what you need. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to head over to your WordPress website dashboard and make sure you're logged in. This is your control center where all the magic happens, so ensure you have the proper credentials ready. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar WordPress interface with all your site management options laid out on the left sidebar. Now from that sidebar, locate and click on Plugins. This section houses all the plugins currently installed on your site and gives you access to add new ones. Once you're in the plugins area, look for the button that says Add Plugin and click on it. This takes you to the plugin repository where you can search for and install various tools to enhance your WordPress site's functionality. Here's where the upgrade process begins. Direct your attention to the upper left portion of your screen. You should see a button or link labeled Upgrade. Now, this is your gateway to accessing Elementor Pro. Clicking this option will initiate the upgrade process, allowing you to transition from the free version of Elementor to the Premium Pro version that comes packed with powerful features like advanced widgets, theme builder capabilities, pop-up builder, and so much more. Once you click Upgrade Now, you'll typically be redirected to the Elementor pricing page where you can select a plan that best suits your needs. Whether you're managing one site or multiple projects, there's a plan designed for your specific requirements. After selecting your plan and completing the purchase, you'll receive your license key and download link for Elementor Pro. With your license key in hand, you can then install and activate Elementor Pro on your WordPress site, unlocking a whole new world of design possibilities and professional-grade features that will elevate your website to the next level. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated to the upgrade section for Elementor Pro. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.